Today I'm going to show you how I made a beautiful bookmark from puff stitch flowers that I crocheted individually in an earlier video. All you need is some yarn, a hook, a darning needle and a wooden bead. Let's get into it. The bookmark is going to be made up of these little flowers here, and I've made one already and I'm going to make 5, so I'm going to make another one for you. Making these crochet puff stitch flowers is really easy and fulfilling. They can be used in lots of different projects, and I have a detailed video that shows you how to make them, along with a pattern that you can get from my website, catkemble.com. I'll put a link in the description to the tutorial and pattern for you. I think 3 more will do. So pretty. I really hope you enjoy making this one. I think I'm going to gift this to my sister because she loves to read and it will make her smile every time she opens her book. If you like this video, then please leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.